today I will explain you what is inheritance in OOP. Inheritance in OOP, there are two kinds of types of inheritance and mode of inheritance. Mode of inheritance are public, private and protected. Mode means how the derived class has been derived from the base class, whether it is publicly derived, privately derived or using protected mode it is derived. So there are two classes, base class and derived class. So this is derived class. So base 1, base 2. There are two base classes from which derived class has been derived. Now types of inheritance, there are single, multiple, multi-level, hierarchical, hybrid and several other types of inheritance are there. If you understand single, multiple and multi-level, you can understand everything. So when there is only one base class and one derived class, this is single inheritance. When there are two base classes and multiple derived classes or single derived class, that is multiple inheritance. Here it is multiple inheritance because derived class has been derived from multiple base classes. And what is multi-level? This is multi-level. B has been derived from A, C has been derived from B. So this is multi-level. So if there are more than one base classes here, suppose here age is another, then it will be hybrid or hierarchical, this kind of inheritance. And mode you will better understand when you can better understand the mode of inheritance from these examples. This is inheritance, short base class and derived class that inherits base as public. So base class is there, derived public base. That means it has been derived publicly from the base class. The name of the derived class is derived and name of the base class is base. Mode is public. So base class, it has its own properties. Derived class, it has its own properties. Now in inheritance, derived class will derive the public properties of the base class if the mode is public. Now X is private member, set X, show X is public. Private members are never get inherited. Public members, if mode is public, become public here. So in this portion, the public members are sitting. Now in main function, we will create only derived class object. So derived OB has been created. Using OB, we can access all the derived class and base class properties. This is the main concept of your inheritance. Now base class is there, mode is public, just previous one. Now what will happen if void shownum is a derived class function and we are accessing cout x plus y. X is a member of base class. It is private member. We directly cannot access X as it is private. It will not inherit. So it will give error. Now mode is private. So base class, derived class, mode is private. What happens? Private will never inherit. Public will become private here. So here it will sit. Now everything is become private. So private things are not accessible outside the class. So derived class OB object will not get access of set X, show X because set X and show X are sitting here. So we have to modify the code. So what will be the modification? We will set xy we will name another function show xy set xy. Set back xy will access set x. The set x is here, so set x can be accessed, which is private member. Show x is here, show x is private member. So private member, public member functions can access private members inside the class. Now outside the class, object will be derived class object will be created, and these derived class properties will be accessed. There will be no error. Now using this concept, you have to modify this program. This is your task. Okay.